Welcome to my channel, Amazon Top Picks. Let me introduce Ninja DZ550 Foodi 10 Quart 6-in-1 DualZone Smart XL Air Fryer. The Ninja DZ550 Foodi 10 Quart 6-in-1 DualZone Smart XL Air Fryer is a powerhouse for family cooking, boasting a spacious 10-quart capacity split into two independent 5-quart baskets. This allows simultaneous preparation of diverse dishes like a 6lb, chicken in one zone and veggies in the other without back-to-back batches. Key features include DualZone technology with separate cyclonic fans and heaters for customized cooking, smart finish which syncs completion times across baskets, match cook, duplicating settings for large uniform batches, and the integrated smart cook thermometer for precise doneness from rare to well done. It supports 6 functions: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Powered by 1690 watts, with no preheating needed and dishwasher-safe crisper plates for easy maintenance. Pros: its XL size excels at feeding crowds, delivering crispy, juicy results faster than ovens while using minimal oil for healthier meals. Users rave about the intuitive controls, even cooking, and time-saving dual zones, making it a versatile all-in-one appliance that simplifies weeknight dinners and entertaining. Cons: the bulky 17.1 x 13.9 x 12.8 footprint demands ample counter space and 6-inch ventilation clearance, potentially overwhelming small kitchens. It's notably loud during operation, and while cleanup is straightforward, greasy foods like bacon can cling to hand-wash-only baskets, requiring extra effort. Some recipes may need initial time tweaks for optimal results. In summary, the DZ550 shines for efficiency and capacity, but trades compactness for power, perfect for spacious, high-volume homes. Thanks for watching. If you would like to purchase the item, just click the link below. If you enjoy our channel, please subscribe now. You will not miss any future videos.